Yes, guys, this is the time for you to move to New Zealand in 2025. If your dream is to relocate and work in New Zealand, if you're looking for opportunity to relocate outside, now this is the opportunity for you. And if you are a health personnel, now I'm going to show you guys this website where you can get job opportunities for caregivers. This is opportunity in New Zealand. Now, this is a visa sponsorship opportunity. Now, if you're looking for CVs and cover letters for this job application, you can check the shop link to this YouTube account or the tag product, and then you can book the service from there. And also, if you're looking for someone to help you with your visa application, being it document preparation, being it cover letters, being it itinerary, being it comprehensive visa guide, you can book the service through the shop or through my seller shop, which is in the description of this video. So without wasting your time, let's move on straight to this opportunity that I want to share. Now, this is the website that we are going to use. This is Heritage Life Care. Heritage Life Care. Now, this company, they are currently recruiting. They can help you to get job easily. Now, these are the job opportunities. They have about 49 job opportunities for both those already in New Zealand and outside. Administrative managers, they are looking for caregivers, kitchen assistant, they are looking for cleaners, they are looking for maintenance coordinators, they are looking for caregivers. As you can see, caregivers are in demand in this country, which is the New Zealand. Now, if you check here, each job has 8 expiring dates. Now, these are the dates that this job is going to expire: 3rd August, 7th August, 7th August. Okay, so you have the opportunity to submit your application. Don't apply only one. Make sure you apply about 4 or 5 of them. Make sure you are sending standard document to the employers. So let's use one of the job as an example. Let's say we are clicking on this job to find out what the employer is looking for. This is a caregiver job. Now, just go through, read all the opportunities, read all the things that they are looking for, the eligibility requirement of this job, your skills that they are looking for, so that when you are drafting your CV, you can include these skills that you are looking for in the CV. Okay, what in it for you. Now, the opportunities that you are going to get is also listed here. So just go to the website and make sure you read here. Okay, so you see that they will prefer to have somebody who is already in New Zealand. They will consider those who are already in New Zealand before they can also consider you. But it doesn't matter. Make sure you submit your application. You might never know which job is going to get you the visa sponsorship. So make sure you just submit your application, even if they are considered those in New Zealand first. If your documents are well crafted and stand out, they can schedule you for an interview. And if you're able to justify yourself, you can move through in New Zealand through this job opportunity. Thank you once again for watching the video up to this point. If you're looking for my services, just hit on the shop link to this YouTube account and we'll take it from there. See you. Bye bye.